Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be downloading some free games right here on your Xbox using your Xbox Live Gold membership. So let's just go right into your Microsoft Store. Under your Microsoft Store you will see a few options, but down here below you're going to look for something called memberships. So let's just click right there and then just click on get more info, and we're going to see the games that are free right now. So they are free for a limited time, they're not trials, they're full versions. And the only one that will ask you for to verify some information is any Xbox 360 game, which is compatible with the Xbox One. But the other games that are meant for Xbox One and are for Xbox One, those do not need to verify anything. So we're gonna start off with this guy right here, Cars. So let's just click right there. Now they should say free on the top here. We should say free. Once you guys see free, just scroll down a little bit and we're gonna see get. So let's just click on get. Now we do have 25 days left in order to redeem this, and then we're gonna get another batch of free games. So make sure to download it now so you guys get it for free. So don't worry about clicking on buy to own, because right now it's yours and you guys can go ahead, even delete it after you click on install and download it later on. So you can download it right now, delete it, and then download it again because it's yours right now. Anyways, let's just go back and we're gonna take a look at the other game. So we're gonna look right here at Hero. Let's just go right into it and download it, see how big it is, so you guys can see how the process is to download these. So again, we're supposed to see free. As long as you guys see free, just click on get and then it's gonna automatically install. If it doesn't, then just click on install. Sometimes it does lag out a little bit, but it should do its job. So right now it's saying pending. That's okay, that's because the other one's downloading. But we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the full size of that game later on. We're gonna go right into our Xbox 360 game, which is compatible with your Xbox One. So we're gonna go ahead, and don't worry, if you guys have an Xbox One S, One X, it's the same thing. We're just gonna click on see the price, because that's the difference with these Xbox 360 games. And sometimes there is an error that comes out, but you just have to do this again. And right up here, we're supposed to see free. So as long as you guys see free on the top, we're good to go. We can continue on and verify. So Xbox still has this error where you guys see this huge image. It's supposed to be smaller. So that just means we have to do this kind of again, but then it should work just fine. So we're gonna go back into memberships. We're gonna go back into that specific game. And don't worry about it, you guys already verified it. So right now it says you own this game. Perfect, just install it. And then it's gonna say pending, which is fine as well. So why do you guys have to verify? Well, actually there's no apparent reason why Xbox does that, because it is free, don't pay anything. And don't worry about it, I've done 100 videos of these and it's never charged me anything as long as it says free. So we're gonna go back, all the way back until I see my games and apps, and I'm gonna go right into there so I can pause one of the games so I can actually see the full size of the other guys. So we're gonna go right here, and we can see that this guy is 49.44 gigs, so it's pretty big. I'm gonna pause it so we can just see how big the other games are at. So right now it's gonna install this guy. There we go, that's only a gig 0.95. I'm gonna just pause installation for now so we can see the very last game, which is our Xbox 360 game, which should be pretty small. So it is 5.51 gigs. How long will these games take in order to fully download? Well, that really depends on your internet speed. If you guys have good internet speed, this should be just a few minutes. If you guys have really slow internet speed, sure, this could take a day or even days. It really does depend on your internet speed. Anyways, that would be it for this video tutorial. Remember, you only have a limited time to download these guys, and then we're gonna get a fresh new batch of free games to download. So it is a limited time. They're full games, not trials, not demos, complete full games. That's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.